Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to unstarred mass emails. As simple as that, I'll be teaching you tips and tricks on how to unstarred mass emails. So the first thing that you'll ever need to do is, of course, log into your Gmail account and then go to the inbox. You can already see that I have tried and starred a lot of emails right here, but you could also go to this starred section to see all the emails that you have starred. You can also check my other video where I showed how to change this star icon, and that's another video. So what you're gonna do is just click all the emails, or when you're in your inbox, just click this drop down box and then click start emails, and then unselect all the emails that you don't want to unstart. So once you have chosen all the start emails that you have or you want to unstart, just click this three dots, which is the more, and then click remove star. So there you have it. That's how you unstarred mass emails in Gmail. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video. Bye!